Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your maths class, and today we are going to continue our chapter number 3, that is subtraction of two-digit numbers. Okay, until now we have done the introduction of subtraction and the subtraction facts. Then we have done one digit and two digit numbers from two digit numbers with regrouping, and 1, 2, 3 digit numbers from three digit numbers without regrouping, right? And after that, in yesterday's class we have done how to subtract and how to verify the answers. Yes, now today we are going to do the last segment of this chapter, that is the word problems. Okay, for that you need to open page number 48 of your textbook. See, page number 48 of your textbook. So here the first question is given: 38 less than 159 is, and then the second question is take away 77 from 178. Okay, and after that there are 4 word problems. Okay, so first two questions we have to do the answers, and then we have to verify those answers with the help of verification, which we have learned yesterday. Yes, see children, here is our first question: 38 less than 159 is. 38 less than, so less than का मतलब क्या होता है? लेस देन क्या होता है ना? 38 लेस देन, यानी कि अगर हम 38 को क्या करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं 159 में से, तो व्हाट डू वी गेट, राइट? एंड देन वी हैव टू वेरीफाई द आंसर. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन in your book. Yes, in this manner I am doing it on board so that you can understand it very well. Okay, but you have to do these two questions only in your textbook. ठीक है, आपको ये दोनों questions अपनी बुक में ही करने हैं, आपको ये दोनों questions अपनी कॉपी में नहीं करने हैं. Okay children, so let's see how we have to solve it. So here I have written 159 minus 38, because 38 less than 59, 159, right? So 9 minus 8 is 1, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and 1 will remain the same. And now in verification, what we are going to do? Obviously we are writing the answer here. Yes, and then we have to write the less than number here, right? We have written it here, and we have to add it, right? We have to add it. While verification we have to add. Verification करते वक्त हमें क्या करना होता है? नंबर्स को ऐड करना होता है. तो 1 plus 8 is equals to 9, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and 1 will remain 1. So answer, we have got the greatest number. Yes, the greater number we have got. So in this way I can say that here is the answer of it, and this sum is verified. Okay, now let's see the next question. So now second question is take away 77 from 178. So we all know that take away means to subtract. Yes, we have done in the previous videos. I have told you that reduce, subtract, take away means subtract only. So we have to subtract 77 from 178. So in this manner we have to subtract. Now we have to write in units of 100, tens and ones. Yes, the numbers, and we have already put it. 178 minus 77. Now we have to subtract it. Okay, now let's subtract. 8 minus 7 is how much? 1. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 1 will remain same. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write this number here. Okay, and then we have to add what? Add the lesser number or the smaller number among two numbers, right? Now we have to add it. 7 plus 1 8, 7 will remain 7, and 1 will remain 1. Now this question is also verified. Okay, now we'll move to the problem sums. See, our third question is, out of 76 toffees, the teacher distributed 54 toffees. How many toffees were left? Were left मतलब कितनी बची हुई टॉफ़ीज़ है ना. तो जब भी हमें ये पता करना होता है कि हमारे पास कितनी चीज़ें लेफ़्ट आउट हैं, है ना, या फिर हमें कितनी चीज़ें बची हैं, है ना, कितनी चीज़ें ज़्यादा हैं किसी दूसरी चीज़ से, उन सब चीज़ों में हम क्या करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, जहाँ पर भी हम कुछ यूनिट्स यूज़ करते हैं, मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ कौन कौन से टर्म्स यूज़ होते हैं प्रॉब्लम सम्स में, जिनसे हम ये पता लगा लेते हैं कि हमें इन क्वेश्चंस में क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है ना. तो चलिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जस्ट सी. Okay, now let's see that what are the terms or what are the words which we are using for the subtraction. Okay, now see, the first word is subtract, second word is difference. We have already aware of this word because whatever the answer after doing the subtraction is known as difference. Yes, and minus is also we are well aware of. Yes, now take away also I told you that take away means subtract only. Then deduct also I told you, decrease मतलब कम होना है ना, तो that is also just like less than means भी कम होना, reduce by भी कम होना है ना, subtract करना. How many were left, right, and how many more मतलब कितनी चीज़ किससे ज़्यादा है, जब हम उसको कंपैरिजन में पूछ रहे हैं कि एक चीज़ जो है वो इतनी है ना. ऐसे ग्रीन पेन्स जो है मेरे पास वो 10 है और रेड पेन जो है मेरे पास वो हैं 5. ठीक है, तो कितने ज़्यादा, हाउ मैनी मोर ग्रीन पेन्स आई एम हैविंग, तो वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन ओवर देयर, राइट, बाय हाउ मच, है ना. तो बाय हाउ मच मतलब कितनी ज़्यादा है, अगर कोई चीज़ आपको गिवन है तो ये चीज़ उससे कितनी ज़्यादा है. तो ये सारे जो टर्म्स हैं, वर्ड्स हैं, इन सब का मीनिंग होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन. अगर ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में आपको कहीं पर भी दिखते हैं, कहीं पर भी आप पढ़ते हो इन वर्ड्स को, इट मीन्स दैट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन पॉजिटिवली. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर एक्सरसाइज with question number 3. See students, so the question is that there are total 76 toffees. Yes, so it is definitely the occasion of someone's birthday, है ना. बर्थडे पे क्लास में टॉफ़ीज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए लेकर आते हैं, राइट. तो टोटल कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ थी, 76 toffees were there. Out of them मैम हैज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 54 toffees, है ना. 54 toffees को क्या किया, टेक अवे, यानी कि बच्चे उनको ले लिया, बच्चों ने उन टॉफ़ीज़ को ले लिया. कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ को ले लिया, 54 टॉफ़ीज़ को मैम ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करा. मैम ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया तो किसको दिया, उन्होंने, शी हैज़ गिवन टू स्टूडेंट्स ओनली. येस, सो स्टूडेंट्स टेक अवे 54 toffees. Yes, so now the solution, the answer we have to write like this, that total number of toffees is 76. Number of toffees distributed is how much, 54. Now toffees left, we don't know, so we have to find out the answer. So when we subtract 6 minus 4, what do I get, I will get 2, and 7 minus 5 is also 2. So how many toffees are left now? There are, how many toffees are left? Yes, 22 toffees are left. Okay, were left. Yes, so this is the answer of your third question. Okay, now we are doing fourth question. See children, here is your fourth question. There were 93 cars parked in the car parking area. 48 of them were of blue cars and the rest were all red cars, है ना. टोटल कितनी कार्स पार्क हैं, 93, उनमें से 48 जो हैं वो आपकी ब्लू कार्स हैं, और जितनी भी बची हैं, रेस्ट है ना, तो रेस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है, बचे होना। कितनी जो बची हुई कार्स हैं वो सारी रेड कलर की कार्स हैं। तो आपको ये पता लगाना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मैनी रेड कार्स वर देयर। सो हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? सी, सो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्स पार्क। टोटल कितनी कार्स पार्क है? 93, and number of blue cars are 48. Now red cars, we don't know how many red cars are there, so we put a question mark. Yes, now we have to subtract 93 and 48. Okay, so let's subtract. 3 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take one borrowing from 9. So here it will become 8 and it will become 13. So 13 minus 8 is, so we have to make a line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and we have to cut down 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have cut it down 8. Yes, now how many are left? 5. So we will write here 5. Then 8 minus 4, so let's make lines, 8 lines. Yes, and 4 we have to cut. How many are left? 4. So 4, 45. So total 45 red cars were there. Red cars were there. Okay students, now again here is your fifth question. See fifth question. Out of 165 roses at the florist shop, right? You know roses. See, this is a rose. So एक फूल वाले की दुकान पे, फ्लोरिस्ट की शॉप पर कितने सारे रोजेस थे? रोजेस 165 रोजेस थे। उनमें से 54 रोजेस जो थे वो रेड कलर के थे, और जो बचे हुए रोजेस थे वो सारे पिंक कलर के थे, है ना? तो हमें क्या लिखना है? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मैनी रोजेस वर ऑफ पिंक कलर, है ना? तो आई होप यू आर एबल टू डू। हाँ, कर लेंगे आप लोग। सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? चलिए, लेट्स डू इट ऑल्सो। सी चिल्ड्रन, total number of roses, how many roses are there in were there in florist shop? There were 165 roses. Yes, out of them number of red roses is 54, and number of pink roses we don't know, so we have to subtract these two numbers. So subtracted, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 1 will remain 1. So we can write that hence 111 pink roses were there. Pink roses were there. Yes. Okay. So in this way you can solve the last sum also, right? So this is the last question. In our school there were 156 chairs and 41 tables. How many more chairs were there than tables? So this is a school, this is a classroom. Yes, so in a school we are not talking about class, we are talking about the whole school, है ना? पूरे स्कूल में तो बहुत सारी चेयर्स और बहुत सारी टेबल्स होती हैं। तो इन अ स्कूल देयर वर हाउ मैनी चेयर्स? 156, and how many tables? Only 41. So how many more chairs? टेबल्स जितनी हैं, टेबल्स से कितनी ज़्यादा चेयर्स हैं स्कूल में, आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है। So for finding out you have to do the subtraction. Okay, and now you have to do this question on your own, but I am attaching the answer of it in your PDF. Kindly check answer from the PDF, but after doing it, okay, try to attempt it first and then you can check your answer. Okay children, and these 4 questions, 3 4 5 6, these 4 questions you have to do in your notebook, and these 2 questions you have to do only and only in your textbook. आपको ये 2 क्वेश्चन अपनी बुक में ही करने हैं और ये चारों क्वेश्चन अपनी नोटबुक में करने हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो प्लीज़ do your work properly in neat and clean handwriting, and please be safe at home. Okay, and take care and take proper precautions also. Okay, to stay safe from this disease. Yes, and please take care of yourselves, take very good care of yourselves. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye bye, students.